How to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Hey there. It's Eliza, and I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's dive straight into it. 1. Open Snapchat, launch the app on your device. 2. Access Camera Roll, head to your gallery by clicking on Camera Roll. 3. Select your video, pick the video you want to send as a snap. 4. Tap the three dots, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the three dots. 5. Choose Remix Snap, this option allows you to customize your video for sending. 6. Hold the video, press and hold the video until the send option appears. 7. Send it, tap the send button, and voila! Your camera roll video is now sent as a snap. And that's it. Simple, right? If this tutorial made your Snapchat game easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Got questions or want me to cover a specific topic? Drop a comment below. This is Eliza, signing off. See you next time.